When you have a list of data in Excel, you may want to subtotal it, in this instance by, say, client or state or by salesperson. So one of the easiest ways to do this is to leverage the tools in Excel to create subtotals. So let's say, first of all, I wanted to subtotal this by client. The first thing I need to do is sort the client column alphabetically. So I'm going to click on a single cell in that column and I'm going to choose sort and filter A to Z. So it groups everything in alphabetical order by client. Now the next thing I need to do is go to the data tab, and over here on the right hand side I'm going to choose subtotal. Now it gives you a prompt box and it says where do you want the subtotal to break. I want it to break at the client because that's what's grouped together. I want a sum. I don't want the order ID, I want the order amount, and I'm going to click OK. Now Excel automatically creates these three little outline buttons here. When you click number 1, it gives you a grand total of that list of data. Now we didn't create any formulas at all. The plus sign beside it expands to show everything. Click the number 2 and it gives you a total by client of the order amounts, and you can easily click on one of the pluses to expand that particular grouping so you can see all the items in that client name. And the number 3 expands out to show everything. Now if you save the file with the subtotals activated, they remain there. At any point in time you can remove the subtotals by just clicking anywhere on the data and choosing subtotal, and down the bottom left remove all, and your data is returned to its original list.